Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. In the first part of this Sunday's nightcap, you're going to hear a fair bit of me waffling on. I've got one or two people to thank. I've had some viewer mail come in. I want to share that. My friend Mick comes down with Stig and we'll do the draw for the two nice little parallels. In fact, we'll do that now. You ready? Yeah, let's see that. Right, go. Yeah, that's one. Got one? Right. There's one on the station of it. Jason Burns. Hey, you after? Good lad. Right, Mick, that was great. That dog of yours is certainly getting bigger all the time. I'm going to do another draw. This time it's going to be for a hole cutter, a tapered hole cutter made by Banggood. It's the one I've tested. That's a hole cutter that I tortured last week. One thing about it, it's got a mark on there. It's got a separate ring in there. That's actually a 10mm, which means you know when you're at 10mm. Quite a good idea because 10mm is a popular hole. Anyway, that's it there. The centres too, I've tested them both. Watch the video, see what you think. Anyway, if you want a chance to win that, as usual, all you've got to do, send me a video containing your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email up there. The email goes into the bucket and either Stig will eat it or pull it out, or the daughter or my wife or myself or whatever. Anyway, it's worth having a go. The first person I'd like to say a massive thank you to is a gentleman called Dr. Ed Van Marie. I hope that's a good pronunciation from a Geordie. Anyway, Ed, I really appreciate what you've done for us. I'm not going to broadcast it here, but it was a very, very generous gift and it's going to go a long way towards getting myself and Debs to America. Anyway, thanks very much. I'm sitting here doing this nightcap on an old bar stool that I've had for years. I also sit here doing TIG welding. A lad called Richard Clark sent us an email wanting to know if I would like him to recover my stool because he does leather work as a hobby. I sent it away and this is how it came back. I'm sure he'll agree. It's a fantastic job. This really is a quality item. He's made a fantastic job of recovering it in the leather and the tooling in there is very, very fine. It reminds me of checkering on like a shotgun stock, the way he's tooled the leather. Leather around the sides as well. New base. It feels lovely. I've had this I've just always had it. I think it was 20 years ago. The pub I used to drink in was being renovated and I actually pinched the stool and I've just kept it. Anyway, he's done a fantastic job of it, so I get it mounted onto the base and I can use it again. I have to make sure I don't lie any hot exhausts on here or use it as an extension for me metalworking, so but I am absolutely delighted with that. It's something that's gonna it's gonna be here one now, I suppose. And people say you can't get craftsmen anymore. You can. That's handcrafted. That's done properly. That's not quite sure how it's done. I think Mick's had a good tool in leather, but it really is. It's a work of art. Right, that's it back where it lives. It's only where I sit when I do the nightcaps. I sit on there and waffle on, and I also sit there when I'm doing my welding, TIG welding at the bench. Like I say, I'm really happy and I do appreciate it. Thanks very much. If you want any quality leather work doing, all you've got to do is email me and I'll pass you on Richard's email and you can get together and go from there. Anyway, once again Richard, I really appreciate it. This also turned up in the post. It's a 5/16 machine reamer sent in by a lad called George Kelly. Anyway George, thanks very much because I didn't have one of these nice, new, sharp 5/16 reamer. The next person I'd like to say thank you very much to is a gentleman called James Churchill. James made me this nice little stainless steel pen. Got an ink pen in there, and it's also got a scriber that goes into it. I'll get a close up of them. He's turned them on a lathe himself. He's made a fantastic job of them. The workmanship really is very nice. Anyway, thanks very much, James. Much appreciated. That's a pen I've been sent in. It really is nice. It's a little bit like a rifle bolt on there, and this screws out. That screws out of there. There's also a scriber that goes in. That's going to be quite a handy tool to keep in the shop. I don't do a lot of writing now. I mean, anybody does, it's all typing, but it is a nice pen to write with. Something I'll keep for a long time. I've got another little motorcycle related job to do here. This is an ignition backplate of a motorcycle engine. The lad's obviously converting one engine to some different ignition. What he wants is these two slots here putting in there where the two felt tip pen marks are. So you can, that's to adjust your timing, the four top dead centre, your advance and retard. So what I'm going to use to do that, I mean obviously you can do it freehand, but better if you can machine it. I've got a dividing head. I'm going to put it on there and do it in the milling machine. Right, this is the dividing head I'm going to use. I'm going to use it as a rotary table because I haven't got a rotary table. First thing I need to do is make sure it is dead on centre line with the machine. Quite a simple way of doing that. Right, so that's basically dead in the centre. What I can do now is lock the table off, or at least I'll lock the y-axis off. I've got to chuck the screws onto here. I'll be able to use that to mount the plate in. I'm just going to move that because it's really wants to cut the back of my hand open. And this chuck was badly damaged when I got it. I didn't do all the damage on it, but that should go in there quite nicely. The first thing I need to do is pick up the radius. That's where that slot is there. We need to line up the slot just to get a centre. That's pretty good there, bollocks. Right, so that's fitting in the slot quite nicely. I can lock the table off at that, and then obviously we use the rotating table like that to put the slot in. What I'm going to do a little practice cut on across here where it doesn't matter before we do it for real, so to speak. So we'll bring the cutter down. Right, and that's done the job quite nicely. Trying to make a chuck here, you clown. Right, so that's basically what he wanted. Right! Oh, hey. Oh, get it on. Hey, you're quite a professional here. This is wet. This is very wet. In the description box of the video, if you click on the link, it takes you to the Double Boost store where you can buy a Double Boost hat or a cup. There's polo shirts there, there's going to be hoodies there, and there's going to be beanie hats there. Anything you buy directly helps me run the shop, and I hope you're going to help me get to America to the bash again. I've had a good response. There's quite a lot of stuff being sold. Stuff is being posted out now, and I've had lots of comments back, and people are very happy with what they've received. It's a stainless steel pen, complete with stainless. Idiot! What a f***ing bell end. We'll try that again, John.